hurt him, okay?
Don't stand over him either. That's
Otto, let's put the train right. Can you put the train right in front of Gray and see if we can get him to crawl to it? Put it right in front of him. Just right in front of him. Let's put it right here and see if we can get him to swim over to it. Go ahead, bud.
Hey, Otto, come on, let's back up a little bit, okay?
What's up? Hi, Hayes. Come on, Gray. You can do it, bud. You can do it. You can do it, buddy.
Otto's being a little... No, you're being too... We gotta get him away.
Oh, no.
It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah, I know you want to get close. Just back up a little bit, okay?
All right. Well, maybe
Let's
this
put
is
this
maybe
here.
this isn't a good idea.
Okay, now, no, don't touch it. What? Listen, okay? Okay, listen, just let it, now
Can we
let
do it,
Greg,
Gray?
let's sit up here and we'll watch, okay? Let's see if Greg can get it, okay? Because look, he doesn't know how to walk like you. He doesn't know how to crawl.
Hey, Gray. Gray, baby, right here.
Sit up, sit on my lap. Just sit on my lap and watch for a minute.
You can do it, bud.
Otto, listen to me. Just sit, watch me. Let's watch baby Gray.
Jakey, stop licking.
Sit.
Otto, do you want to take Jacob?
Whoa. Whoa. All right.
360.
Look at you.
Otto, want to go outside with Grammy?
Hey,
Otto, let's take Jake outside. Want to? Come on, Jake.
I've heard some babies roll over as a means of movement.
There you go, there you go.
remember Mateo didn't never learn how to crawl?
Yeah. And then there was Remco, who never crawled, only did the army crawl.
Oh, really?
And then walked.
Wow.
He started by going backwards.
Oh, yeah, backwards, right? Can you do it, bud? Come on. There you go.
Yeah, you can't go outside when you're talking about.
Here.
Yeah, that's not good. Here, I'm going to hurry up. Yeah, we're going to go swimming a little while, but your David gets wet. Yeah, but we will dry. We will dry. Find your shoes. Oh, 2 feet and 1 leg. Silly Grammy. There you go. Silly Grammy. Or you can put 2 feet and 1 leg. That doesn't work. How about your sandals on?
You've got a mouth. Come on, bud. It's not so far away. You can do it. Right here. You can do it, bud. You can do it. You can do it. Come on.
You can do it. You can do it. You can do it.
Hazel. Hazel. Hazel.
Really? They often don't have, I've noticed that pastry case is empty. I don't know what their problem is. All right, you're starting to spit up. Bye. Bye, Dad. Hold on one second. Bye, Dad. I gotta go. I'm spitting up everywhere. Bye.